Clear! I need to pass.
Reverend, where are you?
Mr. Morgan, I took your advice, sir. I took your advice.
Then your god has finally deserted you. What you talking about?
I took your advice, sir. I have removed myself from Morpheus's embrace. No more shall I sink, sir. I am free. I am free.
You don't seem free, friend. You seem drunk.
Sit down, Reverend. We ain't finished.
You ain't finished. Look at him. He's finished.
None of us forced liquor down his throat. Friend, I just wanted to play.
Now, firstly, we ain't friends. Don't make no mistake on that subject. Now, secondly, he can't hardly see, let alone reason. Now, reasoning ain't never been one of my strong points neither, but seeing I do just fine. You want to step outside or deal with business here?
I just want him to finish the game.
Why can't we all just get along? These are good men, Arthur. They're children of God. They're children of God.
Oh. How's about you playing his place, huh? That seems fair?
Fair?
Sure. You want a game?
Sure. I'll play a few hands.
Well, sit yourself down then. I'm Luther. This is Marvin.
Fortunate for you both, we're being gentlemen about this.
Same goes for you.
So, how you two know each other anyway? Don't seem like the likeliest of friends, if you don't mind me saying.
We go a long way back.
And now you're his chaperone?
I guess it's something like that. Can we play?
He can't be no real clergyman. He committed about 5 cardinal sins just in that chair you're sitting in.
I think he used to be. He's drifted a little in recent years. Life is a challenge to all of us.
Can you imagine him at the pulpit? If he could stand up.
On the 4th day, he turned water into whiskey, and I don't remember much after that.
He's a decent fella going through a bad time. Disrespect him again, and you'll find yourself in a bad time, too.
All right, all right. Just trying to have a little fun here. It is a game after all, mister. Not looking good.
Yes!
For Christ's sakes.
Yeah. Yes! Come on, let's keep this up.
Are you kidding me?
I'ma see you.
Check. No.
I check.
Anybody gonna play here?
Okay. Check.
Yeah, I'll, check.
So what we looking at, fellers?
How about that?
I ain't got it.
All right, then.
Not much I can do about that.
Ah, I'll take it. You're gonna have fun getting him home. I'll call.
I'm a check.
I check. Check.
I don't think.
I check.
How do you like this?
I got very little.
Pile of crap.
Damn.
Better than nothing.
Damn it, I can't get a look in.
Glad I ain't in your seat.
Check.
Come on, let's get this thing moving a little.
Damn it.
How about that?
He's bluffing.
Well, I wonder.
How about that?
Okay. Here,
Christ.
look.
Lucky bastard.
Ah, yes.
Shit.
Gentlemen, this is getting too rich for me.
Sit down.
Oh, I'm done, friend. It's been a real education. Come on, Rip. Where is he? Where'd he go?
Who?
The Reverend, where it... Excuse me, gentlemen. Reverend! Reverend Swanson! Where'd you go? Good boy. Yeah. Reverend, stop! Hey, get your hands off him.
Say to me.
I didn't say a word.
You'll keep.
You stay out. You stay out of it.
Oh my God, you killed him. I'm gonna keep the law on you. Hey, you, get back here. You better stop right there. Stay away from me. Stop, you son of a bitch. Stop, or I'll kill you, I swear. I said stop, damn it.
Yeah. Okay. I
Please,
won't tell
don't
a
hurt
soul.
me.
I promise.
Good. Get the hell out of here. Lip sealed now. Now what? Where's Reverend? Reverend! on! My friend! It's just a simple mistake. You can still be saved. What have you done with your foot?
It appears to like this place and wants to stay.
Get your foot out of here! Twist your leg, you drunken bastard! Get it! Come on!
Thank you, sir.
Oh, no, you don't! What the hell is wrong with you?
What the hell is wrong with you? Throwing me off a bridge like
There
that?
was a goddamn train, you crazy bastard!
Have I been bad again, Mr. Morgan? I'm sorry. I wish I was different.
Let's get you home.
Home? Yeah, that's a wonderful idea. I could have tea with Margaret.
Margaret? Who's Margaret?
But...
Yeah. All right, boy. Yeah, good boy. There, boy. You're all right, boy.
I told him.
Yeah, good boy. Yeah. That's it, boy.
So sleepy.
What are you mumbling about now? There we go.
I was wondering when he'd show up.
You better sleep your way to salvation, my friend.
Oh, what happened?
Just the usual.
Poor bastard.
Exactly.
Well, thank you, Mr. Morgan. I'll keep an eye on him.
He was lucky this time. Real lucky.